Today I'm on the quest to find the best pastechi in Willemstad.
Hi, I'm Shavia. Exploring Curacao in the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around. Mornings in Curacao are extremely busy. Everybody is trying to either get to work or school.
For those who didn't get a chance to make breakfast, there is a variety of local breakfast options that you can get on the road. Sandwiches, croquettes, johnny cake, all of them are a variety of things that you can get at different places around the island. Pastechi is the most famous of them all.
Pastechi is a fried dough filled with either cheese, ground beef, chicken, or some other specialty. My friend Valerie was the perfect person to help me on my pastechi hunt throughout Otrobanda. Valerie is a Curacaoan that has traveled the world for the past 2 years. She definitely knows a good pastechi. Our first stop was at the Batiro stand near Riff Stadium, and the verdict was,
This is good, but the crust is a bit chewy.
so we continued on our way. Next, we stopped at a small window shop. It was Valerie's turn to try out their pastechi.
It's not bad, but I've had better before. It's a little bit oily, and the dough is very, very thick.
Just across the street from that cute little window shop is Terrace Plaza Bar Restaurant. The owner heard about our best pastechi hunt and confidently offered us their pastechis.
This pastechi is so far the best one we've tasted. The owner told me it was made by an 82-year-old woman, and the crust and everything's just amazing.
Really my favorite so far.
We just sat there and couldn't stop eating. While we were leaving Terrace Plaza, someone suggested we try Peter's coffee shop near the hospital. To make sure we didn't miss out on any good pastechi, we went ahead and tried it.
I do like the crust. And the taste is okay. But it's not the best.
So after a morning filled with pastechis, Valerie and I agreed that Terrace Plaza has the best pastechi in Otrobanda. Now that's our opinion. Where have you had the best pastechi? Let us know in the comment section. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you so much.